The Samsung S25 Ultra Case by TONGATE offers an innovative sliding camera lens cover that ensures both protection and privacy for your camera. With two different types of front frames, this case provides flexibility by including one with a built-in screen protector and another without, catering to your individual preferences. This case is equipped with a hidden kickstand that allows for convenient viewing in both portrait and landscape modes, and supports wireless charging without removing the case. A versatile belt clip that rotates 360 degrees and is easily detachable makes it perfect for secure attachment during any activity. The case provides comprehensive military-grade protection, capable of withstanding drops from a height of 14 feet, ensuring your device remains unscathed. Designed exclusively for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, it comes with a 12-month replacement plan and 24-hour customer support for peace of mind.